Okay, so we are answering the before class question for the Learning Target 1 and 2 Part 1 video. And let's hear what were some of the Vertex that we got. Matt, what did you guys get? -2, -12. So you think this point is -2, -12?
No, I had -2.
Okay, okay. That's okay. Logan, what'd you get?
3, -2.
3, -2. Anybody else get a different one? Taylor?
I got 0, -1.5.
-1.5.
No, I got 3.
And anybody else? Kara?
3, -1.
3 and -1. So what I'm seeing here are that we got some different answers, okay? One of these answers is right. I'm going to teach you guys, though, how to get the vertex coordinates given the roots, okay? First, I want you to write down, we're going to get a formula here for the vertex, and I'm going to call it x sub v, y sub v, okay? And I'm going to talk to you about how you can find this, okay? The vertex is always either the minimum of a parabola or the maximum. If this parabola would look like this, the vertex would be here, okay? And let's say we had roots here and here. The vertex is always equal distance from the roots on the x-axis. So that means the distance from 2 to the vertex is going to be the same as the distance from 4 to the vertex, all right? So the formula to find that would be, and you can write this down, x of v equals root 1 plus root 2 divided by 2. And remember, these are both x values, so if you want to maybe write x there as well. So the x value of v is going to be root 1 plus root 2 divided by 2. So in our circumstance, that's 2 plus 4 divided by 2. That's 6 divided by 2. That's 3. So our x of the vertex is going to be 3. Okay, but we don't know what the y is. Okay, in this problem though, look what they gave us. What's that? That's the equation, right? So in that equation, what could we put in that equation? What do you usually put in the equations? Ashley?
Well, x is 3, so you just plug that in and solve it.
Okay, so she says x is 3, so let's just plug that in and solve it. So I'm going to color coordinate here. So our y of the vertex is going to be 2 times x squared minus 12x plus 16. So if I put in my x there, we know that x is 3. So this is going to be 2 times 3 squared plus or minus 12 times 3 plus 16. So if we figure that out, 2 times 3 squared is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 12 times 3 is 36 plus 16. 18 minus 36 is -18 plus 16 is what? -2. So the y of our vertex is -2, and our vertex should have been 3, -2. But make sure you have this down as to how to find it. These are the formulas. You take the roots, add them together, divide by 2, so you find the mean of the roots, and then use that in the equation to find your y value. Or you could have looked here and saw that this leading coefficient is 2, which means our scale factor in this parabola is 2. So based on, compared to our parent function of y equals mx, or not at y equals mx, y equals x squared, this parabola is stretched up, okay, by a factor of 2, which means for every 1 it goes over on the parent function, 1 usually over 1 goes up 1, but in this function, over 1 is going to go up 2. So we could have said, okay, going down 2 and over 1 will get us to that negative 2. All right?